everyone! Today, we will be discussing the different types of body movements. First, we have the locomotor movements. Second is the non-locomotor movements. And the third one is the manipulative movements.
Fundamental body movements are the building blocks necessary for more complex physical activities. Playing sports, exercising, and dancing all require a command of simple, fundamental body movements. For that reason, students should master this movement concept during early childhood development and elementary school physical education. When fundamental body movements are not mastered at a young age, students will have a hard time in participating in certain physical activities as they grow older. Locomotor movements refers to the body movement that move from one place to another, movement that causing the body to travel. Walking is a series of steps moving at a moderate pace, lifting one foot only after the other foot has touched the floor or ground. Legs swing from the hips while the arms swing naturally at the sides. Running is about moving on one foot with springing steps at a rapid pace, such for an instance that both feet are off ground during each steps. Jumping is springing and taking off with one foot or both feet but must land on both. Hopping is springing on one foot and landing on the same foot. Leaping is springing on one foot and landing on the other foot. Skipping has same procedure as in hopping, but bouncing lightly with alternate steps and hops. Galloping is moving in continuous forward or sideward direction with one foot leading. Sliding is actually gliding along the floor with either foot. Non-locomotor movements are also called as axial movements. They are movements of certain body parts or even the whole body without causing the body to travel. The base may be standing, kneeling, sitting, or even lying. Flexion and extension go hand in hand. So it is the bending or elongating or part of the body occurring at a joint. Percussive is also known as striking and hitting or even pushing and pulling. For pendular, it is the swinging or swaying arms forward, backward, or even sideward. Vibratory is the shaking and beating of any body parts. Arm, shoulders circling forward. Manipulative movements are movements that require an ability to handle an object or piece of equipment with control. It can also be referred as object control skills. Throwing is using an arm or both to propel something with force the air by a movement of the arm and hand, while catching is stopping and controlling a moving object by use of the hand. Striking is hitting an object with the use of a bat, stick in applying power. Kicking is to hit someone or something with foot or to move the feet and legs powerfully. Dribbling is a repetitive action in where hand or both hands are used to continuously bounce the ball without interruption on the floor. It ends the moment the continuity ends. And that ends our discussion when it comes to fundamental body movements, locomotor, non-locomotor, and manipulative movements.